Hey guys, welcome to another video of Techwheel, and in this video I am going to give you or explain you the question, the problem, and in this video I am going to solve or explain you the CodeChef Starters 2028 on that was asked on 4th of March 2026. So the very first question was balloon splash, balloon 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 splash, and this was the very first question. And being an division 4 since my since since my concept start rating is less than 1400 right now, and that's why you will so if you are giving the division 4 question. So the very first question that was asked on this contest was balloon splash, and the question says Alice and Bob are playing a balloon splash game. Alice has X water balloons and Bob has Y water balloons. The player with more balloons wins. If both players have the same number of balloons, the result is a draw. So it's a very straightforward question that was asked, and simply you have to check here which is having more water balloons, whether Alice or X. So this is output. Alice if Alice wins, Bob if Bob wins, draw if it's draw. This is given input format. The first line contains two space separated integers x and y. Output format is Alice if Alice wins, Bob if Bob wins, draw if it is a draw. Uh, that means, suppose there will be, and this is the question that was asked. This is a very easy question, and I don't expect anyone to be watching this video because this is the very fundamental question. Anyhow let's discuss. If suppose suppose x, let's see test case. Suppose x has 7 water balloons and Bob has 10 water balloons. Since let's say Alice is having 7 water balloons and Bob is having 10 water balloons, and since here Bob is having more water balloons than Alice, that means here Bob is going to win. So here winner will be Bob. Got it? Here winner will be Bob. As you can see that here is also a Bob. Simple. That second test case is 49-49. Since here both x, that is Alice and Bob, is having equal number of water balloons, that's why we are printing output as draw. Similarly, in the third test case, the x is, suppose Alice is having 2 water balloons and Bob is having one water balloon, and as you can see clearly here that Alice is having one water balloon greater than Bob. That's why here the Alice is the winner. Now let's see the test case. Let's see the solution. It's a very straightforward question, man. If x greater than y, then Alice is the winner. Else if Bob, and if all these two cases are not hit, means if these two test cases doesn't satisfy the input, or the but if these two conditions doesn't get satisfied, then this third condition will be definitely this condition is definitely going to satisfy, and you will get draw. So I hope you have understood this question. So this problem is basically, if this question is basically based on if else condition. If you know how to apply if else like this, you are good to solve this question. There's nothing to discuss much. Thank you.